Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip an image in the Pixlr app. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, here you can find the option of tools. Now tap on it. Now to flip the image, tap onto the rotate button. Now to flip the image, simply tap onto the horizontal or vertical option right here. And flip the image just like this. And you can also flip the image using the rotate option right here. And you can also use the slider to flip image just like this. And that's it. This is how you can flip an image using the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.